Welcome back. In the last video, we discussed question number 2. If you missed our video, we will give you its link in the I button. You can watch it by clicking on it. Today, we will discuss question number 3. What does the question number 3 say? The sum of four consecutive odd numbers is 80. Find the numbers. Right? The sum of four consecutive odd numbers. Odd number like 1, 3, 5, 7, right? Let the number be x, right? Therefore, next consecutive odd number is x plus 2, and next x plus 4, and next x plus 6, right? Or we can say x, x plus 2, x plus 2 plus 2, right? X plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? Because the difference between two consecutive odd number is 2, right? You can also take first number be x plus 1, right? Then the next number is x plus 3, then x plus 5, and x plus 7. You can take any one of these. So suppose we take these four consecutive odd numbers. Then, according to the question, the sum of four consecutive odd number is 80. Means x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 is equals to 80. Right? Then add it x, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. That is 4x. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 2, 12. 4x plus 12 is equals to 80, right? 4 can be taken as common. Then x plus 3 is equals to 80. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 0, 20, right? Then x is equals to 20 minus 3. Therefore, x is equals to 17, right? Means the number is 17. And the next number is 19. Next, 21. And the last, 23. Right? Let's check it. 17, 19, sorry, 17, 19, 21, and 23. 9 1 10, 7 3 10. 20, carry 2, 2 2 4, 5 6, 7 8. Right? The sum is 80. Now, if we take these consecutive numbers, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4x plus 7 5 12 12, 3, 15, 116 is equals to 80. 4 as common, 80. 4 ones are 4, 20. X is equals to 20 minus 4 means 16. Right? 16 plus 1, 17. 16 plus 3, 19. 16 plus 5, 21. 16 plus 7, 23. Right? You can take any one of these. Thank you.